Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Simon and we are putting together our first 3D printer. It's the Bambu PS1 and I have my stepmom Betty who's going to come over and show her beautiful face who's helping me, and my dad who helped us unbox. You got to come in.
Okay,
This is Rick. He helped us unbox too. So we're gonna put this thing together. They say 20 minutes, but we'll let you know. Okay. Where is the Dad? You don't have to do it if you don't feel good. Seriously. I know if you don't feel good, your brain can't think. Go rest. It's really okay. Thank you.
I'm not sure how to get them out.
Okay. Tool head, SD card, air filter, pause back. This is everything that it contains. I wonder if...
This I just made in here. Because
Perfect.
It doesn't, there's no pinch.
Okay, this gets taken off too. I don't know. P.S. I got this thing. Why is it doing it? P.S. I got this thing at Micro Center in Wayne, Pennsylvania. It was on sale for $849 plus tax, and it came with 3 reels, 1 orange, 1 green, and 1 clear. Okay. Like, I feel like this should come out and go sideways.
Come out.
Like lift up out and go a different way, because I feel like the spools are going to be sitting on top.
No, the spool's fit in here.
Yeah, but on the machine, like this is how it is. Look at this, Betty.
Oh yeah.
So I
This has to come out.
yeah. So I think you have to lift it up. I can't see. It's like slid in there, but I know it comes out, and you can't, it has to come out the top because you can't lower it.
There's something holding
I could have never done this by myself.
it. Oh my god.
It's like,
It's not coming out yet. It is on the bottom, isn't it?
I wonder if we turn inside. Yeah. Dad, do you want anything? Are you sure? I know when you don't feel good, your brain can't think. Like, this is here.
And this doesn't, it can't slide out this way. Yeah, salt is coming here.
If you get that thing, there's something in there, you gotta take some screws out.
Oh, really? Oh, these things?
No, it might be, you might be,
Yeah,
you
that
need to
booklet.
take the bottom off.
Oh, the
I
bottom?
don't know.
We should look.
See that booklet?
Yeah, hold on. Oh, shit, maybe these stay in.
That's why I didn't try too hard to. It has to come out.
How do you get it out? Does it say it? Alright, maybe this just tells us what's in there.
20 minutes, huh?
Not even close, let's say. Yeah, we started like 10 minutes ago.
Wait a minute.
Oh, wait, there's a key, and then look, Betty,
There's
look.
more styrofoam inside
See this? They do come out, these things. There's gotta be in this box, here it is, the Allen key.
there. Oh, the Allen machine.
Let's see. There's my buck knife. God, it's like scissors. I didn't put it in the case. Oh, thank you. You guys, I'm using my buck knife from Harry, who is now in heaven, but I know he's with us today. and he was so mechanical. He had a whole company that did all this, but big, huge machines. Like he made molds and then printed out things for companies. So we need this wrench. Okay. There was another box. Does this have... Oh, there's batteries in here. That's not a battery. This thing.
That's an Allen wrench. Is that what it says to undo?
Yeah.
Does the other end have a thing on it also? Because sometimes it does. Sometimes you don't.
Betty, that's so much smarter.
Well, I remember because I used Allen wrenches.
All right, it's better to use the Allen wrench straight up and turn it. This camera moves every time we talk.
See that.
Isn't that cool? I just got it. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna put these in my left pocket.
Or else get it cut out.
Oh, that's a smart idea. I have all these little... Dad, thank you for telling us that.
What's that on?
About the screws.
There's supposed to be that rectangular box
Yes, the long one.
as a tool, is a toolkit.
Are you okay?
Yeah, this thing just kind of dropped down.
Okay, good. All right.
Now
Now, do we slide it?
it slides out.
Okay. All right, we're sliding this out of the inside with the two, there were two screws with the orange arrows on them. And the Allen wrench was inside of the long rectangular box.
Now we have to set this back up.
Yes.
I guess all that stuff stays in there.
Do you think this, that it sits on there?
Maybe it gives it stabilization. It doesn't look like there's anybody to put that out there. Oh, wait a minute. There's some more arrows. What are those arrows?
They look like screws come out. Maybe that's the clean the machine though. Let me see. Okay, so we removed that out. Now we take out the screws there because Allen Key removed the 4 screws as the arrows indicate.
These.
Okay. Yes. Where's the Allen?
It's right here.
Okay. Here, let me try these since you did the others. Okay. Jesus, I have on 2.5 glasses and I can't see it. Okay, got it. Now I feel like with this, to get these out, I'm gonna have to turn this machine upside down because they're so deep in, even though getting them out, like undoing them, because they're in so deep.
Yeah, they are in there deep, really deep.
So like this unscrews them, but it doesn't, unless it would be smart if this was a magnet, had a magnet on the end.
It might be that you can just lift it up.
Oh.
When you unscrew it, the screws will stay in there.
Betty, you're so smart. You're probably right. Betty has put together way more things than I have, obviously. She was single for years before she met my dad and learned how to do all this stuff herself, and I usually just found a man or paid somebody. Although the last person I was with could not do anything, and that really sucked. He could pay for stuff, but he couldn't do anything.
Really?
And I hated that. Because Mike was so handy. We never hired a plumber, electrician, nobody. So to have that and then go to somebody who can't do anything, it's really hard. But I'm learning.
I kind of look like it dropped down a little bit. Can you lift it?
Yes.
Can you lift it up? Open up?
So there's 4 orange arrows on the inside that we're unscrewing with the Allen wrench. And I did 3 of them on the 4th one. I got it some, but not all the way. I should have started a timer. Well, I guess the video, but we actually started before the video started.
You know, sometimes you can go on YouTube and there's instructions on there.
Dad, we are the instructions.
What?
I'm putting this on YouTube.
No, I mean,
I know, other people.
yeah, they've already done it.
Yeah, there wasn't a lot of them, so I figured.
I don't think we were putting.
Yeah, because I was thinking, how are these screws going to come out?
They're
But
not. They're going to stay right there.
Okay.
I guess maybe you have to put
So
this.
we
May
took
have to
that
get
thing
put
out.
back.
all right, there's 2 more arrows with screws underneath where I just took them out on the inside, and I'm going to be doing those now. Oh, there's 3 of them. 3 arrows on the inside. See, I'm more the kind of person that does this first and then looks at the instructions after and thinks,
That's not me.
oh shit, I should have looked
No, I always read the directions.
first.
I do.
You do. See, I could never do that. It was really hard to read for me.
Well, just as I was doing it, I started with one, even with anything I read.
That's probably a great idea. I think because my comprehension was so bad, some of this stuff just looks like
Well,
impossible for
It
me.
didn't have to be doing it ahead of time.
Right.
I didn't read ahead of time necessarily, but as I was doing, I'd do step 1, step 2, step 3.
Okay. So these can go in the dish.
Yeah.
All right. All right, directions as I go. So now there's a long tube. Bamboo. Wait a minute. What is this? Did I take out those screws too early? No, I didn't. Those 4. Up, up. So take these out. And oh, shit. Maybe I should take that closed on. Okay. And then something up. Did I already do that? I feel like the styrofoam can't be in here because wouldn't that melt?
I think so.
Foam in the bottom, should I take out?
That's the arm that we took out.
Okay, so this is the front. I think reading the instruction manual, it makes my head hurt.
Really?
Yeah, like it gives me a headache. Like I feel like I have to take a headphone now.
You did this.
Yeah.
Took that out, okay. So that brings us into. Let's see if there's any.
All right, we're over 16 minutes. Maybe we should have watched a video on YouTube of how to do this instead of filming it.
Alright, so it's telling me now that there's. This is the next thing after we do this.
The cord,
Yes, so
but which cord?
the blue tube. Is there blue?
This is the blue tube.
Okay, that's blue. Okay, so that. Oh, that doesn't look like it's connected. Oh, you have to put the top on it.
Okay, now?
Well, it's showing it sitting. It's showing the top sitting on there. Right? No, not that. That other side.
Oh, this thing? I'm like, I thought you said that was the top. I guess it's the top when you don't have this.
I think you have to put that in there. Yeah.
Is that on there?
It has to go up. Wait a minute. Okay, now push it back. It shows that there's space on each side, but it's got to come back here.
Okay.
So see, there's a space around here. And then this. Goes.
I'll just take off the tape stuff.
Is there a place to see all the things in?
Yes. Oh, there's like a telephone thing.
Well, this goes down and it goes into the side of this.
The tube goes into what side?
Isn't there a place where you can put something in there?
Oh, yeah. All right, guys, we're taking this tube and putting it, connecting it to the gray piece in the back. Okay. And then the next thing.
And then there is
Is it the YouTube here? Not the YouTube, the charging cord. No.
there's a 6-inch. Okay, so one of those has to go in. This one of those goes there.
Does it say which one?
No, it doesn't.
Because maybe there's two of them for a reason.
I know it doesn't look like. Well, it says, you know what, it says, okay, there's a distance, there's a 6-inch pin, and there's a 4-inch, the 4-inch. The 4-inch goes from here, there's the thing, 4-inch, that's 6-inch.
Okay. This looks longer than 6 inches to me. This is the 4-inch and this is the 6-inch, even though it looks like,
Yeah,
so it lies.
well, it says 6 pin, it doesn't actually say inch. It just put inch in there. Okay. So the 4-inch one goes from underneath here.
Okay, hold on a second. This was right.
The
4 prong goes on the inside.
Wait a minute, connect this one first. This one goes in here.
In what end?
In there somewhere. No, in here somewhere.
Okay.
And then there's under
The
here,
4 prong.
under here, Michelle, there's a thing I can feel.
Okay, yeah.
It's one end that goes in there.
Okay. Is that, they're both 4 prongs?
It doesn't show that. And then
Okay.
and then it goes
Over there somewhere?
in here somewhere. You can see the picture.
Okay, yeah. Here.
Alright, so I think you have all the wires hooked up. Does it look like it to you?
Yeah. All right, you guys, we're getting somewhere. Now, remove screw with picture with Allen wrench. Is there a screw picture? Oh. Is that it? I think there's a way to, like, when I do this video, like, speed this up so people really don't have to actually watch it. Be like, fall asleep.
Yeah, most of it.
No. You're the highlight, Betty. I couldn't do this without you.
Okay, it says there's a screw
Above.
above this.
Is it something that's plugged in there?
Is it, wait a minute.
Spool holder assembly holes.
They should make these things a lot bigger than this.
Is it this thing here? No, it's on the right and it's below the thing.
Yeah, because this I think is this.
And then
this is this.
This goes in here.
And this is the
It has
plug.
to be this, because the spool
Right
holders.
there it is. Right
It's
there.
not this one.
No, it's this
Okay,
one.
sure.
No, I'm not sure. But that's where the whole. That's where it's.
It's not here. Okay, that's where it says.
That's where it's saying.
Okay.
That's what it's showing. I don't understand what that would do. Is it take it away? See, it shows that something would pull out.
Right. Where is this?
Because this is this.
It's like the first one. Oh, is it this?
No, because that's up here.
Okay. Yeah, and then go down. That thing goes there. Something goes in here, so it has to be this one. Third one on the edge, you think?
I think it's. What is that?
No.
Okay, so then it must be.
Think this one? Let me see something. Get something.
It's showing the two. But
But it goes that piece. It's this piece goes in there?
Yeah, but how does it, if it doesn't have a screw on this side, how does that piece?
Cause look, this, is it this piece that goes up there? This goes in the front. like a remote control that goes on the front.
Screw the spool holder with the 2 screws from the access box. This is the spool holder.
Right.
Okay. So you need to unscrew that one and there's
Yeah, but look, the thing, where is that one long piece I had? That, yeah, because look, it has screws in here.
Yeah.
So maybe take those out and something else gets put in their place?
But there's nothing there. It doesn't look
Yeah.
like there's any.
Maybe,
No, it's showing them farther apart than that, Michelle.
I have to take something for a headache. This is when my eyes want to cross. This is when I would go into the store and be like, Juan, you lied to me.
Do you mind if I try to take this one?
Oh my God, no. Are you kidding? I'm grateful for any help you can give. I have to take water. Do you need a break?
I'm right.
My poor dad. At least he's taking a nap.
Yeah, he's been sleeping a lot.
He doesn't feel good. How did the stress test go?
Well, we didn't get any results yet.
Was it what you think?
No, he said it wasn't bad.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this out, let you do that. And you know what? Where is this? No.
This was.
Okay, that's in there? Okay. I was gonna say, I can take that out while you're doing that. I need an eye doctor appointment. Do you get your eyes checked every year?
Every 2.
Two?
It's
Okay.
far from. See, this doesn't make any sense because there's a screw up here holding this in and this is holding this in. That does not make any sense.
But then, where's that piece? Because remember, it has something that, like, it has 2 screws, like it gets screwed on in place.
Yeah, but does that stay sticking out or does it slide in?
I don't know. Let me see this.
This is just a little teeny tiny.
It must stick out. It's got to stick out, because how could it go in?
Well, just because it shows it with the arrows sliding, it looked like it slid in.
Spool holder though, that says it has 2 little screws. So, it's got to go. Does it go up or down? But why would it have 2 screws?
Okay, you gotta take this one out and then it gives you other screws to put in.
Yes,
Okay.
that's what I was saying.
Alright, I'm gonna lay that little screw right.
You know what, in the dish, I'll put it in the dish. Don't get up, I'll do
Yeah,
it.
I'll put it in the dish.
I know it's hard to get up and down.
I have to move.
Okay. You want me to do that one? Because that's close to me. I guess it didn't need us to take out a second one here, and it didn't make sense because there was no screw there in the first place. So how could one go in?
And this one actually holds
That piece together.
Well, because there's one at the top and the bottom and one in the middle.
Are you okay with this one? Well, I gotta show you, we gotta make something before you guys leave. Or maybe what you can do is go to Costco if you need a break.
There you go. Okay.
Perfect. Is that tight?
Yeah. Is it tight?
Yeah. Should it be tighter? I always think it shouldn't be able to move at all. Is it?
Well,
fine?
it's not strong with steel.
Okay. It is as tight as it can go on my side, but it's not flat. Is yours flat? Yours is flatter. Is mine?
No, that's right.
Is mine not flush? You think I put it in?
No, it's okay.
Do you want me to do it? I can do it straight out.
It's just trying to get this in, and then, you gotta get the other end in, because that's not strong enough. That's why I was using.
I know. I was cursing way sooner than you. That's perfect. Okay, yeah. I always think it ought to be like,
Okay, yep,
okay. So then,
okay. So you have to, wasn't there something that was attached in this?
oh yeah, thanks. So we took out that piece on the bottom just so we could put the
Three screws
spool holder on.
Allen wrench to H2 to unlock the hotbed.
What this thing is. In Chinese. Disclaimer and safety guide. This tape is really good for like packing tape.
That's what I use when I send all my packages back.
Where
and
did you
forth.
get this tape from?
You can get it, I got it from Amazon.
You're really good on Amazon. I don't even shop on Amazon as much as you do.
It's with nylon coating through it. Makes it
I'm
really
just
strong.
finding this out now. Okay, thank you. I was today years old when I just found out you can get tape with cord, nylon cord
Nylon
for your packages. This is brilliant. Instead of using 60 pieces of tape like I normally do. That's probably smarter and cheaper.
All right, now here's where we are. It says remove 3 screws with an Allen key to unlock the hotbed.
I already did that.
You already did
These 3, right? That's the hotbed.
that? Okay. I don't know which way they want you to go. Insert the LED cable into the port by plugging it into the terminal as pictured.
That's on the inside. What is the LED?
You know what? Maybe take this thing off. We don't need this
On yet?
Okay.
Well, we do.
Oh,
Oh, because it's
it's
connected.
connected. Oh, yeah.
The
that's
one
right.
piece is
I was
connected.
just gonna say, yeah, no, that's okay.
Okay.
I thought it would need a little more light in.
Oh, I have a flashlight. I was gonna say, the flashlight, it doesn't work. What are we looking for? What is that? Insert LED cable into the port. What is the LED cable? Do you think it is this? Is there any more cords? Is there any more boxes? So it has to be already in there?
This thing goes out here.
Yes.
Okay, so
I know this is this. Jesus, Betty, I don't even know if we're going to be able to make shit today.
oh, that's all right. Don't worry about that. There's many days ahead of us.
I mean, we can. I'm for it. If your head doesn't hurt by then. Probably. Alright, I'm gonna wait. Does it say put this on yet?
Well, no, there's these other two.
I think we gotta do that first because I can't. What's the thing we're doing? There's cords in here.
It looks like it. This is two. There should be a thing. Oh, what the hell? I don't know what that thing is.
Where does that go
This
from?
is step number 2. After we did this,
Right.
what is this?
Insert an LED cable by plugging the port into the terminal as pictured. Betty, do you think it's this up here? This is the LED cord. I think it's this piece that I was trying to do. This has got to be the...
But this is your control thing. Look in front of it. This is your control.
I know, but is this an LED cord? Because look, that's the back of this.
Yeah, I guess so.
And then this is...
And then we...
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
okay.
it has to be that.
Yeah.
I was trying to do that, and then I felt like we were missing something on the inside.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
So it goes in like this, but I feel like it's supposed to like snap. Okay,
Yeah, it's not.
okay. And then it goes in.
You gotta get rid of some of that cable there.
I
Will
know.
that push down into here?
It pushes onto the inside and some in there.
And put this in and then slide it to the right.
That's pretty good. Yes. And then this.
And it will slide it that way. Catch it.
Yeah.
See how it has these little
Yeah.
things? It has to fit flat. It's not, it
yeah.
doesn't fit on an angle.
That's got to be it.
No, it's not. It's got to be flat.
All right, I'll hold this and you try it. Is it? I don't have that cord in there now. I feel like it goes in and then
I
slides
know
to the
it
left.
does, and I but it's like getting both of the things in at one time. I mean, the top and the bottom.
Oh.
This has to get down in there.
Should we tape it in?
That's. No, that's it.
You got it?
That's it. It
Okay,
is a
so
little
it's
because
tilted.
It's tilted because see if
I
you
was
feel-
trying to do it flat
I know,
though.
but feel underneath
Yeah.
that it's up against.
Okay.
So yeah, so
All
that's
right.
it.
You're a genius. And it needs to be able to come out too.
Right.
I guess, I don't know why, but okay. All right.
Okay,
That was good.
that's done. All right, next page. Oh, jeez.
This is like crazy.
Oh, now we're getting into all of this printer stuff, which I don't.
Okay, printer building. Down, I have the app. Robin, okay. Connect the printer to the power. Okay, I have the Bambu. I've got to stop taping. Sorry guys, it's over 41 minutes and we're not even close.